Hello everybody. This is my first hydroponic strawberry in growing in sand. This is my nutrient solution with the pump. Here's more tomatoes. The plants in general, they're doing fine. Got this cluster of tomatoes, and right now we are uh, the plants are flowering more and growing more. And let's pick the tomato right now. And I will put it with the strawberries. I just harvested for my kratky hydroponic system. Strawberries are doing fine too. Do you see how the strawberries need to be a little bit lower? And this I'm growing just in water. Let me see if I can pick one. You see the roots over there? Roots are kind of dark. No, they're okay. The tomatoes I'm growing both in uh, lava sand and also regular construction sand over here. You guys can see. So see you guys. Have a nice day.